Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace an effect at an effect layer in Kinemaster. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a project, and after that find the an effect layer, press on it, and now you can just let's see where it is exactly, press on replace, and you can just replace the effect here. It can be shape, mask to melting point, basic effects, all these categories, and you can just select one that you are interested in, like mosaic for example, and you can just leave the page afterwards, and that effect will be applied, basically, that you have selected. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.